If you want to edit quick settings or the control center on Google Pixel 11, then first of all, we need to actually fully open this quick settings panel. Now, once you open it, you can tap on this pen icon that we have on the right side, and now we can edit our quick settings panel. So in here, you should be able to tap on any of these tiles that you currently have on in the quick settings panel, and you can, for example, extend the size or shrink it. So we can grab by this thicker line that we have on the right side to make this button take 2 spaces instead of just 1. You can also change positions of these tiles. So if you press and hold your finger, then you should be able to drag it around and you can just place it into a different spot. Other than that, you can of course remove a tile as well. So once it is selected, so once you have this outline, then here in the upper right corner, you should be able to find the remove option. There we go. Of course, now here below, we can find some additional options or tiles that are not added just yet. So if you want to add something to this list, you can, for example, press this plus button here in the upper right corner, and then that selected option is going to be added to the quick settings panel. You can also, of course, extend the size just like before. What you can also do is you can press and hold your finger on the shortcut or button, and you can just drag it and adjust or set the position straight away. So instead of adding the button or shortcut to the first available spot, you can actually decide straight away where you want to drop this tile and where it should be placed. And there we go. At the bottom of these options, you should be able to find the reset option. Sorry, I just closed that by accident. But here you should be able to find the reset option, which allows you to restore default quick settings layout. So you will have all default buttons in here and so on and so forth. Of course, once you are done with the customization, you can just tap on this arrow here in the upper left corner. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.